Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your keyboard type, because the Xbox 360 accepts USB keyboards and wireless models that use a dedicated USB receiver. Once you have the keyboard, power the console down briefly, then plug the keyboard or its dongle into a front or rear USB port. Turn the Xbox on and wait. The system enumerates USB human interface devices automatically, so give it a moment to register the device before moving on to test input. Once done, head to the dashboard or messages to verify the keyboard types correctly and that special keys like Enter and Backspace work. If you see incorrect characters, make sure input language in system settings matches your keyboard layout so keys map properly. For wireless keyboards, confirm batteries are charged and the USB receiver is firmly seated. Interference or loose connections will prevent reliable input. These checks isolate layout versus hardware problems before you try using the keyboard. To finish, use the keyboard for Xbox Live Chat, the browser, and apps that accept text. Remember, many games don't support full keyboard input, which is a limitation of each title. If the keyboard isn't recognized, first swap USB ports or try a powered hub, because some ports supply inconsistent power. Make sure the console OS is updated, reseat the dongle, and test the keyboard on a PC to determine if the peripheral itself is faulty. This one troubleshooting step resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.